Looking for delicious and healthy weight loss meals? It's a common quest, isn't it? To find meals that are not just good for the body, but also delight the taste buds. Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into 3 tantalizing recipes that are not just packed with nutrients, but are also sure to make your palate dance with joy. From breakfast to dinner, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to discover these fantastic recipes. Your first meal of the day is breakfast. Consider this: a plate of boiled eggs paired with a side of creamy mashed avocado. A simple yet nutritious meal that's a great way to kickstart your day. Let's start by preparing the eggs. It's as simple as bringing a pot of water to a boil, gently placing in your eggs, and then letting them cook for about 9 to 11 minutes. Once they're ready, plunge them into cold water to stop the cooking process. This also makes them easier to peel. While your eggs are boiling, it's time to prepare the mashed avocado. Take a ripe avocado, slice it in half, remove the pit, and scoop out the flesh. Then, using a fork, mash it until you achieve a creamy consistency. To season, sprinkle a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper over your mashed avocado. This will enhance the natural flavor of the avocado, making it even more delicious. Now that your eggs are peeled and your avocado is mashed, it's time to assemble your breakfast. You can slice the boiled eggs and lay them on top of your mashed avocado, or you can simply serve them side by side. The choice is yours. This meal is not only delicious but packed with nutritional benefits. The eggs provide high-quality protein, which can help you feel full and satisfied until your next meal. They also contain essential vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall health. On the other hand, avocados are a superfood that's rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber. These can help with digestion and keep your heart healthy. In addition, avocados contain a wide range of nutrients including vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin E, and many types of B vitamins, all essential for body function. Enjoy this delicious and healthy breakfast to kickstart your day. Not only will this meal provide your body with the nutrients it needs to function optimally, but it also sets the tone for your eating habits for the rest of the day. So, make sure to start your day right with this nourishing breakfast. Moving on to lunch. Today's midday meal is a delightful ensemble of roasted chicken slices, paired with creamy avocado and a tangy garlic sauce. Not only is this dish a flavor sensation, but it's also packed full of health benefits that will keep your body singing its praises all afternoon. Let's break it down. First, we have the star of the show, the roasted chicken slices. Chicken is a fantastic source of lean protein, an essential macronutrient that helps in muscle building and recovery. Plus, it's an excellent source of vitamins B3 and B6, supporting overall health and boosting energy levels. Next up, we have the avocado. This creamy fruit is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber. These nutrients are known to aid digestion, reduce inflammation, and support weight management. Plus, avocados are a great source of vitamins K, C, E, and various B vitamins, including folate. They also provide potassium, which is essential for heart health. Now let's talk about the garlic sauce. Garlic is not only a flavor enhancer but also a superfood with numerous health benefits. It's known to boost the immune system, reduce blood pressure, and even improve cholesterol levels. Combined with a little olive oil and lemon juice, it makes a tangy sauce that pairs beautifully with our roasted chicken slices and avocado. Preparing this meal is a breeze. Start by roasting the chicken slices in the oven until they're tender and juicy. While the chicken is roasting, mash the avocado into a creamy consistency, and prepare the garlic sauce by blending fresh garlic with olive oil and lemon juice. Once everything is ready, simply layer the chicken slices on a plate, top with a generous scoop of mashed avocado, and drizzle the garlic sauce on top. This meal will keep you satisfied throughout the afternoon. Its balance of lean protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals is just what your body needs to stay energized and focused. So why not give it a try? You might just find that healthy eating can be just as delicious as it is beneficial. Finally, let's prepare dinner. Tonight's main course is grilled turkey breast with grilled zucchini and pesto sauce. A perfect blend of protein, greens, and a burst of flavors that will leave your taste buds dancing. To start off, let's talk about our key ingredients. Turkey breast, a lean source of protein that's low in fat, making it an excellent choice for those watching their weight. Zucchini, a versatile vegetable that's high in antioxidants and fiber, aiding in digestion and giving an overall boost to your health. And finally, pesto sauce, a rich blend of basil, garlic, pine nuts, and olive oil that adds a distinct flavor and packs a punch of beneficial nutrients. Now, on to the preparation. We'll start by seasoning the turkey breast with a bit of salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of your favorite herbs. Once that's done, it's time to heat up the grill. Place the turkey breast on the grill and let it cook until it's golden brown and juicy. Remember, the key to a good grill is patience, so resist the urge to keep flipping. While our turkey is grilling, let's move on to the zucchini. Slice it into thin rounds, brush it with a bit of olive oil, and place it on the grill. Grilled zucchini not only tastes delicious but also adds a wonderful texture to our meal. Last but not least, the pesto sauce. In a food processor, blend together fresh basil, garlic, pine nuts and olive oil until smooth. This sauce will bring a fresh and tangy flavor that complements our grilled items perfectly. Once everything is grilled to perfection, serve the turkey and zucchini with a generous dollop of pesto sauce. This meal is not only visually appealing but also packed with a variety of flavors that mesh together to create a delightful culinary experience. This light and tasty dinner will wrap up your day perfectly. The blend of the lean turkey breast, the flavorsome zucchini, and the fresh pesto sauce creates a symphony of taste that's satisfying yet light. A perfect way to end your day on a healthy note. These are your meals for the day. A protein-packed breakfast with boiled eggs and avocado, a satisfying lunch of roasted chicken slices with a refreshing avocado and garlic sauce, and a light, healthy dinner of grilled turkey breast with zucchini and pesto sauce. We encourage you to try these meals and share your experiences. It's time to delight in the flavors of health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more delicious and healthy recipes. Thanks for watching.